In a mixer, we will add half a bunch of coriander leaves, 1/4 bunch of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, 1 inch of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, and 2 green chillies. We will break the chillies and then put them in. Now we will squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste. Lastly, we will add some water into it and then grind the mixture. And that's how simple it is. You can use this green chutney for sandwiches, chaats, as a dip, etc. Now we will make the tamarind chutney. For this, we will first add around 50 grams of tamarind into a vessel and add 2 cups of hot water. We will soak the tamarind for about 15 to 30 minutes. You can also make this chutney using dates, but in this video, I'll be using jaggery and not dates. Once done soaking, we will boil this mixture on medium flame until the tamarind becomes soft. This will take around 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame and let the mixture cool down before grinding it. I have done this in 2 batches. We will then sieve the grinded mixture. At this step, if you think water is required, you can add it depending on how thick your mixture is. Now the next step is to boil this mixture while adding few ingredients in it. For this, we will heat a tablespoon of oil while the flame is on low or medium. Then we will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds into it. Once the cumin seeds start crackling, we will add the tamarind paste and give it a good stir. The flame will be on medium during this stage. Now we will add 50 grams of jaggery into it. This is around 1 cup of jaggery. I've grated the jaggery so it melts quickly in the mixture. Continue stirring this mixture, and while the jaggery is being melted, we will add some spices into it. That is half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and then we will continue stirring it. We will let this boil for around 2 minutes. Then we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and let the mixture boil. You can turn up the flame to high at this stage. We will boil the mixture until the mixture thickens. Once you see it thickening, you can switch off the flame and let it cool. Your tamarind mixture is now ready. You can store it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 weeks. Enjoy, see you soon.